How to sign up for a new Kakao Talk account. What's up everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily register for a new account on Kakao Talks. But before we get started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open up the application here on Kakao Talks and you'll be taken directly to the login page. From here, if you already have an account, you can enter your details to simply log in, and if you don't have it, you can just tap on sign up. So you'll have to agree to all of your terms and condition here, and then tap on agree and continue. So you will require a phone permission to autofill your information. So just allow it. Now you'll just have to confirm that this is your mobile number. So just tap on OK, and you will be sent a verification code. And here you will just have to send this verification message. So you have to send it as it is. You cannot make any changes here. So just tap on send verification message. Now you can just tap on send to get the verification code. And once you get the verification code, just enter the code on your Kakao app and you should be able to easily register for a new account. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.